Big frame movements, small frame movements, what's the difference? Small frame exercises get individual muscles or joints to work better. Big frame exercises get muscles and joints to work better together. Big frame movements will never change small frame movements because the body works in the path of least resistance. But small frame movements will always help change big frame movements. If the small movement's not there, when it comes time to do the big movement, you're gonna find ways around it. That's called compensation. I've got a whole video on this. For example, a Bulgarian split squat is a big frame exercise. If the left hip is unable to go into extension, you're gonna compensate by rounding your body forward. Now you can force that by pulling yourself back upright, but that doesn't change the left hip. It's just gonna create more compensation. A small frame exercise, like a kneeling hip flexor stretch, can set up the big frame exercise for being more functional with less compensation.